Hello guys. Do you also want to create such videos for your channel? So let's start and see how to make it. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. So let's go. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome and choose your preferred character for download, similar to how I downloaded this character. Step 2. Open the PicsArt app on your phone and select the photo you downloaded. Then, remove the background of the photo and save it. Step 3. Open Chrome again and type Talking Lips green screen and click on the website. Download the lips video that matches your character. Step 4. In the final stage, open the KineMaster app on your phone. Add the character saved from PicsArt, click on the layer, and add the lips by matching them precisely with your character. After that, use the blend mode and multiple options, and you've created your own anime character.